Hello students, welcome you to all in SGI online class and this is your biology class. Students, today we will continue unit 2 communicable diseases. And in our previous class we already finished this chapter, this unit communicable disease, and also started the exercise of this chapter. Today we are going to discuss the exercise of this chapter, that is find the odd one out. And first question is pneumonia, leprosy, measles, cholera. What is the odd one out? All these four are the name of the disease, and the odd one out is the measles. Why? Because only the measles is a viral disease, and other three, that is pneumonia, leprosy, and cholera, are the bacterial disease. That's why the measles is the odd one out. Second question, Kwashiorkor. Scurvy, beriberi, and night blindness. And the odd one out of in these is the Kwashiorkor, because this Kwashiorkor is the disease which is caused by the deficiency of vitamins and deficiency of the protein. And other that is scurvy, beriberi, and night blindness is a disease which is caused by the deficiency of vitamins. So ये vitamins की deficiency से होने वाला disease है और Kwashiorkor protein की deficiency से होने वाला disease है. That's why it is the odd one out. Third question, whiter, tooth decay, anemia, rickets. What is the odd one out? Whiter, tooth decay, anemia, and rickets. The odd one out is the rickets. Why? Because rickets is a disease which is caused by the vitamin D, and other three, that is anemia, tooth decay, and goiter, is the disease which is caused by the deficiency of minerals. ये minerals की deficiency से related disease है, लेकिन ricket is a disease which is caused by the deficiency of vitamins. Next question is define the following. In the first number is, in the define the following, first question is vector. What is vector? Students, actually carrier of specific germs are called vectors. And vectors क्या होते हैं? किसी भी germs के जो special carriers होते हैं उनको हम बोलते हैं vectors. For example, female anaphylaxis is a vector of plasmodium. फीमेल एनाफिलीज क्या है? एक वेक्टर है प्लाज्मोडियम के लिए, ठीक है, जो कि मलेरिया कॉज करता है. फीमेल एनाफिलीज क्या कॉज करती है? फीमेल एनाफिलीज इज द नेम ऑफ द मॉस्किटो which is a carrier of plasmodium. So we can say that जो फीमेल एनाफिलीज है वो क्या है? एक वेक्टर की तरह वर्क करती है जिसमें एक प्लाज्मोडियम जर्म्स होता है जो कि मलेरिया कॉज करता है. सो वेक्टर इज अ कैरियर ऑफ स्पेसिफिक जर्म्स कॉजिंग जर्म्स, ओके, आर कॉल्ड वेक्टर. Next is the droplet infection. Droplet infection. Students, infection which is spread by the airborne droplets of saliva during coughing, sneezing, speaking, spitting are transmitted from one person to another and cause a disease like cough, tuberculosis, diphtheria, common cold. This is the droplet infection. All these diseases are caused by the droplet infection. Next is the malnutrition. Students, malnutrition means lack of any nutrients in the diet is known as malnutrition. ठीक है, हमारी डाइट में किसी भी न्यूट्रिएंट्स की लैक होने पर, कमी होने पर वो क्या होता है? माल न्यूट्रिशन होता है. नेक्स्ट PEM. PEM, the full form of the PEM is protein energy malnutrition. Protein energy malnutrition nutrition is a term which is used to describe diets which lack protein and energy giving carbohydrates. अगर हमारी डाइट में प्रोटीन या एनर्जी गिविंग कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स की डेफिशिएंसी है, दिस इज सो वी कैन से दैट प्रोटीन एनर्जी malnutrition. उस डाइट को क्या बोलेंगे? प्रोटीन एनर्जी malnutrition. So this cause a disease mostly among the children. PEM क्या करते हैं? मोस्टली चिल्ड्रंस में कोई डिजीज कॉज करते हैं, सच एज क्वाइशको, मेरास्मस. ये जो क्वाइशको प्रोटीन और कार्बोहाइड्रेट की डेफिशिएंसी वाली डिजीज है मेरास्मस, व्हिच इज कॉज्ड अमंग द चिल्ड्रंस, मोस्टली अकर इन चिल्ड्रंस. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट इज द नेम द फॉलोइंग. Next is the name the following. The first question is two disease each caused by the bacteria, protozoa and virus. तो आपको यहाँ बताना है बैक्टीरिया से होने वाली डिजीज, वायरस से होने वाली डिजीज एंड प्रोटोजोआ से होने वाली डिजीज. सो द डिजीज व्हिच इज कॉज्ड बाय द बैक्टीरिया disease. Bacterial disease, there are many of the disease like cholera, typhoid, tuberculosis. So लेकिन हमें यहाँ सिर्फ दो के नेम बताने हैं. So here I am writing the name of the cholera and typhoid. Next is the protozoan disease. Protozoa से होने वाली डिजीज, that is protozoan disease, like malaria and dysentery. Next is the disease which is caused by the virus. Viral disease. Virus से होने वाली डिजीज, there are many of the disease which is caused by the virus, that is rabies, polio and pneumonia, common cold, many of the others. Next question is the organism which cause malaria. So the organism which cause malaria. मलेरिया कौन सा ऑर्गेनिज्म कॉज करता है? दैट इज मॉस्किटो. फीमेल एनाफिलीज मॉस्किटो जो है वो मलेरिया कॉज करती है. तो मलेरिया के कॉजिंग एजेंट क्या हो गया? फीमेल एनाफिलीज मॉस्किटो. फीमेल एनाफिलीज मॉस्किटो. Next question number third, that is cause of obesity. What is the causes of obesity? Obesity is like when we eat over. Overeating is the main cause of the obesity, because if we eat over and doesn't do any of the physical exercise, that cause the obesity. So overeating is the cause of obesity. Next is the 3 vitamin deficiency disease, and the vitamin deficiency disease is the like night blindness, beriberi and scurvy. These are the 3 night vitamin deficiency disease. And next question number 5 is the 3 mineral deficiency disease. The mineral deficiency disease, the disease which is caused by the deficiency of minerals like calcium, potassium, sodium. These are the minerals, and the disease which is caused by the deficiency of these minerals are known as mineral deficiency disease. So for example, anemia. Anemia is caused by the lacking of the iron. हमारी बॉडी में जब आयरन की डेफिशिएंसी होती है तो उससे क्या होता है? एनीमिया. टूथ डिके. Tooth decay is caused by the deficiency of potassium and calcium. And next is goiter. Goiter is a disease which is caused by the deficiency of iron. So these 3 are the disease which is caused by the deficiency of minerals. And the next question is, mention the food constituents which may be lacking in our diet in case of the following. हमें बताना है किस फूड न्यूट्रिएंट्स की लैक से ये डिजीज कॉज होती है. तो फर्स्ट इज अ चाइल्ड हैविंग रिकेट्स. Students, the child having a rickets, that means अगर किसी child को rickets है, that means there is a deficiency in the diet of the children, that is the vitamin D. Vitamin D. Next question is a person suffering from scurvy. If a person is suffering from scurvy, that means that person having the diet which lack the vitamin C. Next question number third. A person suffering from beriberi. Beriberi means the person in which having the diet lacking of vitamin D. Next question number four. A child suffering from kwashiorkor means a person having a diet which lacking the nutrient, that is protein, because kwashiorkor is a disease which is caused by the deficiency of protein. Next question number 6. A person is suffering from poor eyesight. Poor eyesight means हम कह सकते हैं जिसकी पुअर आईसाइट से या आइस कोई रिलेटेड जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं, दैट इज कॉज्ड बाय द डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ विटामिन ए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. A person suffering from anemia. I told you earlier that the anemia is caused by the deficiency of the mineral, that is iron. Okay, so it is diet lacking iron that cause the disease, that is anemia. And next is the answer the following question. Students, we will discuss in our next video. Okay, students, thank you. Have a nice day.